How to make an account on Ecwid easy tutorial. Hi guys, welcome. In this tutorial, I will be showing you how to make an account on Ecwid for free. So let's get into it. You will open up ecwid.com and you will get on this platform right here. Ecwid.com is an online e-commerce platform that allows you to create your online store for free. So it's a really good platform with a lot of different tools and features. We can create a responsive store with Ecwid. In order to get started, you will click on Get Started for Free. It will take you right here. To create a free account, you have to enter your full name, email address, or password. You can also sign up with your Apple ID, Facebook, or Google, so it makes it really easier to create a free account on Ecwid. So I'm going to go ahead and sign up with this right here. Click on Next, and it will take you right here. You have to give your store a name, select your country and your currency. You can see I'm just going with this store name. Select the country, currency, next. Then you have to enter your city and zip code. Click on Next. Select do you already have experience selling? So you can select different options here. You can see yes or no. Then we have what product type you will be selling. You can select physical product or your industry here. We have jewelry and we have automotive, apparel, furniture, books, whatever you want to go for. Then you will select if you're setting up store for yourself or someone else. Click on Next. And this is the last step. Do you already have a website? Click on yes or no. So I'm going to go with no. And this will create my own Ecwid store for me. Finish and proceed to your dashboard. It will open up your dashboard for you. You'll get your own control panel on Ecwid. After that, you will also be getting your own store. So this is how you create an account on Ecwid to get started with your online business. I hope that I was a big help. Don't forget to give this video a big thumbs up, leave a comment down below, turn on bell notification, and subscribe to YouTube channel.